Rub your knee with a lemon and see the results quickly. All you need is 1 lemon, cut into smaller pieces. Lemons are not only a rich source of vitamin C, but also a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Their juice supports skin regeneration and effectively soothes muscle and joint pain. Prepare a large jar and place the lemon pieces inside. Now, add a handful of cloves. Cloves are valued for their strong pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to eugenol, which helps ease joint and muscle pain. Next, add 5 crushed bay leaves. These leaves support circulation, reduce inflammation, and accelerate tissue regeneration. Another key ingredient is a tablespoon of coarse salt, which relaxes muscles and reduces swelling. Finally, pour alcohol over the ingredients until the jar is half full. Seal it tightly, shake well, and refrigerate for at least 3 days. After this time, the mixture will be ready to use. Simply massage the liquid into sore areas such as knees, elbows, or wrists. Regular use will help significantly reduce pain and improve mobility. Try this simple remedy and experience its effectiveness. The secret to beautiful feet. Do this at night and wake up with baby-soft heels in the morning. You only need 3 ingredients. Take a fresh lemon and cut it into thick slices, then make a small cut in the center. This step is important. Lemon has antibacterial properties, brightens, softens the skin, and thanks to vitamin C, it helps with regeneration and refreshes. In a small bowl, add 1 spoonful of baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors and helps remove rough skin. Next, add 1 spoonful of honey, preferably natural. Honey deeply moisturizes, soothes, fights inflammation, and leaves the skin silky smooth. Mix everything into a thick paste. Spread the mixture onto a lemon slice, then place it on the sole of your foot. Wrap with plastic wrap to create an occlusion effect, making the ingredients work even better. Put on socks and leave for half an hour, or ideally overnight. Afterward, your feet will be softer, smoother, and deeply hydrated. This simple home ritual softens hard heels and refreshes your feet, giving you a professional spa effect without leaving home. Add lemon to petroleum jelly, and you'll save a lot of money. Start by taking 1 lemon. To extract as much juice as possible, gently roll the lemon while pressing it with your hand. In a clean bowl, add 2 small spoonfuls of plain petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a product many people use, but not everyone knows its wide range of applications. It creates a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss, hydrates, softens, and accelerates the regeneration of dry skin. To the bowl, also add 2 small spoonfuls of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, take a small pot, pour water into it, and bring it to a boil. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice in the pot to warm the mixture in a water bath. Once all the ingredients are melted and combined, prepare a small airtight container. Pour the mixture into the container and let it cool. Use this mixture on your hands, face, and neckline. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow your skin to absorb it well, then rinse it off. Apply the blend to your elbows and knees, where the skin tends to be darker and rougher. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be well hydrated and nourished. Have you ever kept these sachets at home? Let me show you their amazing benefits in this trick. When you place them in different corners, they work wonders. I already know about it. And now I want you to benefit from it too. They can be placed on the windowsill, on a shelf, or behind doors. All you need for this trick is a kitchen towel and a few ingredients that you surely have at home. It's very inexpensive, yet it has an extra application. Take a piece of paper and place it in front of you. Now grab a peeler and a lemon. Peel it. We need lemon zest for our sachets. Chop it into small pieces. Lemon zest has versatile properties, so it's worth not throwing it away. Add some bay leaves to it. Crush them. Bay leaves contain essential oils that have unique properties. Add a handful of cloves. Mix everything together. These 3 ingredients have superpowers. Transfer them onto the kitchen towel. Fold it at the 4 corners and tie it with a rubber band. Now you can place your sachets by the doors or plants. This way, you'll repel all smaller insects. They won't come as uninvited guests anymore. The scent of lemon, cloves, and bay leaves is something that ants, mosquitoes, moths, and bedbugs especially dislike. These little sachets will also deter flies and midges. That's why they are so useful in every home. I've never cleaned my oven this easily before. I'll never scrub it again because it's a waste of time. It turns out you only need 3 ingredients and a clever use of natural chemical compounds. Cleaning a burnt oven can be really annoying. Grease and burnt food residues stick to the inside, and once they cool down, they're very hard to remove. Instead of using harsh chemicals, you can do it with this trick. Place a heat-proof dish on the oven rack. Pour in boiling water. Then add about 2 cups of vinegar. It's a brilliant natural degreaser. Slice 1 lemon into thin rounds. Lemon has antibacterial and disinfecting properties, and it also smells beautifully fresh. Add the slices to the dish and close the oven. That's when the magic happens. The steam spreads the ingredients and coats the oven walls. For an even stronger effect, set the oven to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. The steaming water softens the burnt-on food, so you won't need to scrub anymore. After about 30 minutes, open the oven and wipe it with a wet sponge. The dirt and grease come off immediately. This clever method always works. Apply toothpaste to a lemon and put it into the washing machine drum. Very few people know this trick. If you have not tried it yet, it is time to change that. Most of us do not clean the washing machine regularly, which leads to a buildup of dirt and residue. With this simple trick, you can keep the appliance clean without using expensive chemicals. Cut the lemon into 2 equal halves. Apply toothpaste to each half. Both ingredients have strong disinfecting and antibacterial properties. Put the prepared lemon into the washing machine drum. Pull back the rubber seal and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Scrub thoroughly with a toothbrush and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, clean the detergent drawer thoroughly. Prepare a mixture of about 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well and apply the foam to the surface of the drawer. Wait a moment and clean hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush. Set a short wash cycle and start the washing machine. When the cycle is finished, simply remove the lemon. Do not forget about the washing machine filter as well. Take 1 absorbent diaper and place it under the filter. It will absorb the water that flows out when you unscrew it. This way, you will avoid flooding the floor and extra cleaning. These methods will make your washing machine clean, fresh, and free of limescale. This method not only effectively refreshes the inside of the washing machine, but also helps protect it from future buildup of dirt.